Cocktail party effect, sometimes called selective hearing or selective attention. The cocktail party effect is a phenomenon that refers to our ability to focus on one specific auditory stimuli while filtering out others. The cocktail party effect, how the brain filters noise. Our left side of the brain is more active when we discriminate relevant sounds from background noise. According to the study by an international team of scientists, the result is the so-called cocktail party effect. For example, at a noisy party, you and someone called your name, and your attention and hearing will be focused on that person you are talking. And he or she is the only one you can hear even the surroundings are noisy.
Cocktail party effect, or the psychology of selective hearing. This is the ability to tune into a single voice from many conversations going on in a noisy room. For some psychologists, this is a phenomenon that is quite impressive and underappreciated, as it is quite hard for some people to even focus on one thing, let alone focus on something while a lot is going on around them. It is quite surprising, but some people do it naturally, where they just decide to tune out certain voices to listen only one source of sound. This phenomenon is a classic study that was carried out by Colin Sherry, using the simple method of playing back two different messages to people at the same time under a variety of conditioning. He made them close their eyes to concentrate on what they're hearing. First was to play different messages by the one person saying it and asking them to ignore one of it and focus on the other. They can do so by trying to speak it out loud or write them down after hearing it. In this experiment, he was able to see how impressive and how amazing it is that a human can filter what they hear.
The cocktail party effect refers to the ability to focus on one's attention, a particular stimulus, while filtering out a range of other stimuli. Selective attention plays a big role to this phenomena, and there's a group of theories that explains why this is happening. Brodmann's early selection theory, Reisman's attenuation theory, and late selection model of attention. Brodmann suggests that once we've decided what we're going to pay attention to, we'll continue to pay attention to that thing based on physical characteristics. Reisman modified Brodmann's theory. She said, it's either we pay attention to a message and process it, or ignore a message and it's lost. It's a matter of degree. She called it attenuator. It analyzes incoming messages in terms of physical characteristics, language, and meaning. And it's a meaning-based process. Idea of late selection of model of attention is captured by the following studies. Incoming information is selected after its meaning and has been determined.
The cocktail party effect is the ability to focus on one's oral attention on a specific stimulus while filtering out a variety of other stimuli, such as when a partygoer can focus on a single topic in a crowded room. This phenomenon is what permits most individuals to tune in to one voice while turning out the others. It may also refer to a similar phenomena in which one may instantly notice important words coming from unattended stimuli, such as hearing one's own name in another's speech. For example, if you're interacting with one person in a large group while the rest are talking among themselves, you may easily carry on a discussion. Two persons standing next to you may speak in a louder volume, but your brain filters it out. Because of the cocktail party effect, your brain chooses to focus on and disregard specific areas.
The cocktail party effect is an aspect of the brain's ability to focus one's auditory attention on a particular stimulus while filtering out a range of other stimuli or noise. This refers to the ability of a person or people to focus on a single talker or conversation in a noisy environment. Example of this is when you are talking to someone in a noisy party or surroundings, and you are still able to listen and understand what they are talking about, even when they are halfway across the room and ignoring what other people nearby are saying. This is because, according to the study of an international team of scientists, our left side of the brain is more active when we discriminate relevant sounds from the background noise, and this results to the cocktail party effect.